Just gonna do a quick video about this rifle I got recently. This is my Remington 700. This is local police issue SWAT team surplus rifle. This is how it was when I got it, minus the suppressor and the quick attach muzzle device. Oh, I'm sorry, and I threw on the cheap bipod. It came painted as it is. This specific officer, I guess, is well known in the city for his paint jobs. I quite like this one, kind of the retro style, but it is a older style rifle. I think this is either a 90s or early 2000s model. Chambered in .223, the military model with the fiberglass military stock. It came with this really nice Burris optic on there, and the scope cap as well. But it's a really fun little rifle. Cheap to shoot, little .223. It suppresses nicely. This is a 100-town arms can with a Yankee Hill Machine Company muzzle device adapter. But it's just a really fun little rifle, and I got for super cheap. I think I paid $5.50 for the rifle and optic, which that glass alone is worth more than that. But yeah, this is probably my favorite surplus rifle I own now, and the only police surplus I own. Oh, nice. Absolutely love this rifle.